Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine at home and listening to your parents. Okay, students, welcome you all in your English 2 online class of class 2. So, students, in our previous videos, we already completed our 2 lessons. Lesson 1, that is a stone soup, that is a story. And lesson 2, that is a poem. And what is the name of the poem? Useless Things. I hope students you understood both the lessons, story and poem both. Okay. Students, I hope you all are completing your book exercises and your copy work. So students, try to complete your book exercises and your copy work on time, okay? Listen to your parents, they will guide you to complete your work. So students, today I am going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 3. Okay, lesson number 3. What is the name of the lesson? Learning Together. What is the name of the lesson? Learning Together. Lesson number 3, Learning Together. Alright, students. So, students, learning together. That is a story. This lesson is a story about a girl named Rama who wants to learn, read and write. She don't know how to read and write. She wants to learn how to read and write. Okay. In this story, there are 3 children. There are 3 children. Okay. Jia, Hussain and Rama. Jia and Hussain, they help Rama to learn how to read and write. Okay. They all are learning together. They all are learning together and make their studies and make their learning as a fun. Okay. They enjoying their learning, and because of this, in the last of the story, the Rama knows how to read and write. Okay. Jia and Hussain helped Rama how to read and write. Okay, students, this is your lesson, lesson number 3. See, lesson number 3, learning together. Okay. How would you feel if you could not read or write? Would you miss reading stories? Would you miss school? Okay. Students, how do you feel if you don't know how to read a story, how to write anything? If you are not able to read or write anything, you are not able to express yourself. Reading and writing is the way how to express yourself. Is it a way to express yourself? Okay. So, how would you feel if you don't know how to read or write? Okay. Would you miss reading stories? If you don't know how to read anything, it's not possible to read a story. Okay. If you want to read a good story, if you want to read the good moral stories, if you don't know how to read, how you will read the story? It's not possible for you all. So, you have to learn how to read and write. Would you miss school? Okay, students. Now tell me, are you people missing your school? Yes. I think yes. People are missing your school, your teachers, your friends, everything. You are daily coming to the school, you are learning how to read, how to write, how to play, be in the discipline, how to behave with the elders, how to behave with your teachers. Okay, you make friends, you enjoy your school time. Okay, so are you people missing your school? I hope yes, you people are missing your school, because I'm missing you all. I'm missing your school, I'm missing you all. So I hope soon this situation will be normal and we will meet soon, okay? So students, now I'm going to read the story for you all. This lesson 3, learning together. I'm going to read this story for you all. So try to read along with me, okay? If you find any difficult word in this, please underline and note it down in your rough copy. And when the school will reopen, I will explain you, I will clarify you your doubts. Okay? So please don't worry. Just concentrate on your studies. Take your online classes very seriously. Try to read what the teachers are teaching you all. Okay? Alright. So students, I'm going to read this story for you all. Before starting the story, I'm going to give you a small brief to you all. This is the story about a girl, a little girl, whose name is Rama. Okay? See, picture. Jia, Hussain and Rama. Okay? We are going to read this story about Rama. Rama is a girl who learns to read and write, who wants to learn how to read and write. Okay? So, this is the story. I'm going to start the story. Try to read along with me, students. If you find any difficult words or any difficulty during the reading of the story, please underline the words and note it down. Okay? The bell rang twang. It was recess. The children ran out of the classroom. What is the meaning of recess? Lunch break. Okay, students? Jia and Hussain had their lunch. Then they ran to the playground and started playing with a flying disc. The disc flew and fell near a wall. They both ran to pick it up. Near the wall, they saw a little girl. What they saw? They saw a little girl. She was grazing her goat. What is the meaning of grazing? Grazing means causing to eat grass. Okay? The girl smiled and waved at Jia. Jia in turn smiled at her. What is the meaning of in turn? As a reply. When the girl smiled and waved at Jia, Jia replied her back. Okay? She replied and she also smiled at her. Do you know her? Hussain asked. Jia said yes. She is Rama. Her father is the security guard of our apartment. Okay? Jia said, yes, I know her. She is Rama. Hi Rama, what are you doing here? Asked Jia. What she asked? Hi Rama, what are you doing here? Rama replied, Didi, I love to come here every day. I want to go to school. I want to read books like you. What she replied? Rama replied to Jia that, Didi, I also want to go to the school and I also want to read books like you. Rama, we will help you to read and write, Jia said. What Jia said? Okay, Rama, we will help you to read and write. Rama smiled. We will take you with us when we go to play in the park. Okay, Rama, we will take you with us when we'll go to park to play. Okay? We can sit under the banyan tree and learn together. We will sit under the tree. We'll sit under the tree and we will learn together. We will sit together and learn, suggested Jia. Soon the bell rang again. What happened? Soon the bell rang again. The recess time is over. Jia and Hussain ran back to their classroom. They back to their classroom. Keeping her promise, Jia taught Rama to read. Jia promised to Rama that she will teach Rama how to read, how to write. Okay. So, Jia keeping her promise and she taught Rama to read. On some days, Hussain would help too. He taught Rama to write. And some days, what Hussain is doing? Hussain is also helping her to read and write. How to write. He is also teaching Rama to write. Okay. Rama would bring guavas and share them with Jia and Hussain. In return, what Rama is doing? Jia and Hussain helping her to read and write. So in return, what Jia is doing? Rama is always bringing guavas for them. The children enjoyed the guavas before going home. When they finished their reading and writing, then after they eat their guavas and go back to their home. Soon Rama learned to read. The three of them would together read adventure stories and fairy tales. What they are doing? All the three children are sitting together and reading adventure stories and fairy tales. She also learned to solve maths. Rama also learned to solve maths. She also learned to solve maths problems. They helped Rama to learn how to solve the maths problems. Okay. They also solved number games together. What they are doing together? They are also solving the number games together. Okay. Because they all are sitting together. They all are trying to learn together. Learning together is fun indeed. Okay, students. This is your story. In this story, there are three children. One is Jia. Number 2, Hussain. And number 3 is, who is the third one? Rama. Okay. Rama is a little girl. Okay. Who wants to read and write. Who wants to learn how to read and write. And Jia and Hussain, they both helped Rama how to read and write. Okay. Both helped to Rama how to read and write. Okay. Soon, with the help of Jia and Hussain, Rama learned how to read or write. Okay, students. All three are learning together, reading adventure stories and fairy tales and many more stories, and making their learning fun, making their learning interesting. Okay. Okay, students, this is the story of Rama and Jia and Hussain. Okay, Jia and Hussain helped Rama to learn how to read and write. Okay, so students, you know, if you sit alone and do your studies or do your learning, it's quite boring, right? But when you have your friends with you, what you all are doing? Yeah, your studies become more interesting. Okay, you enjoy your learning, you enjoy your study. Okay, so learning together is a fun. You learn together, you eat together, you play together. When you come to the school, what you people are doing? You people are sitting in class together, you people are learning together, you all are having your lunch together, you all are playing together, right? So being alone is quite boring. Okay, so try to learn with your friends, try to play with your friends, or spend time with your friends and make your learning interesting. Okay, this is all about the story. So I hope this much is clear for you all. I hope this story is clear for you all. What is the story about? Okay, so do the reading of the story again and again, or watch the video again and again, and if you find any difficult words or any difficulty regarding this lesson, just note it down in your rough copy. It will be clarified when the school will reopen. You will come with your confusion, with your doubts. I will clarify everything when the school will reopen. So please don't worry, do your studies well and do your study well. Concentrate on your study, do your work on time, and students, everything is uploaded on the school website. So go to the school website, visit it, and note down your work, your book exercises and your copy work. Okay, so students, this much is for today. So enjoy your studies and keep yourself safe and follow the instruction of your parents or obey them, and stay at home, be safe. Okay, hope to meet you soon. And students, tomorrow I'm going to start with some of our book exercise of this lesson, and again I'll read the lesson for you all and explain it in short. Okay, so be ready for the next class. So students, thank you all. Meet you in next class tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.